has to do with passion, I guess, for design. I never thought I'll be designing toys, but it's one of the things that, sort of fell into my lap. What we do a lot is art, graphic and product. So the toys actually bridge that gap to more mass consumers. Instead of buying a $7,000 painting, you just buy a $20 toy. That's the whole thing about our company, to make art more affordable. We are buying licenses for different characters to produce them into more mass market products like notebooks, stationery, novelty gifts and stuff. Give them some sort of function for the people to buy. Instead of just buying a toy to display, they actually buy the whole notebook to draw on it, and then they see the different art, they get curious. It will stream back to our toys now. So it's a whole lifestyle kind of stuff, a whole pop culture where we string everything together. To keep up, I guess you need to know the market trends. You need to know what people like to buy, the sizes they like to buy. You do too big a toy, the Japanese market won't like it because they have small houses. You do too small, the Americans don't like to keep because it's just too damn small. The story behind the products is the draw for people. For example, you tell the story of tofu, you print little comic pages of it to let people know, put it in media. The way you word things, the way you lay out the things is very important so that people can relate easier to the character. So you need design to enhance your product, even though that product is already designed. The more they know the story, the easier to sell the characters to them. The business grew from a single toy to doing a magazine to making original characters, and then from the original characters to different types of merchandise to complement the toys, to starting our own store. Now we're buying different licenses, more commercialized licenses, growing our channels. So that's how the business actually, is going in that direction. The future plans for my company and for us is actually to make more different kind of merchandise to complement the toys. Because of the different kind of merchandise we're doing, it could go into furniture, it could go into cookware, it could go into more fashion-based kind of stuff. So we're looking at how we can expand through that, then just keep on doing many toys.